What's up YouTube? Dave the phone guy back with another video, and today I have something that was highly requested. I kind of kept ignoring it and it was requested and requested, and I wasn't gonna get them, and I gave in. I gave in for you guys. Today we're looking at the Jabra Elite 75t. I've heard nothing but good things about these. Not sure why I've been holding out, but they're here. They're in studio. They're ready to do something. We're ready to do something. Let's get these things unboxed. Let's get the mic test. Let's do the audio. Let's do these things. Grab your popcorn. Let's get started right now. All right, let's do it. So here we are. How do we get these things open? How does it happen? Where is it taped up? On the side. Ready? What else is holding it? Ah, little gravity. Always fixes things. Let's see, what else we got? A little trick-or-treat. Whoa, those look small. Not so small. Part of it was hidden. It's not bad. These are actually nice size. They feel kind of light. Hang on a second. Let's compare. Let's do a comparison. Pixel Buds 2. Let's see, sidewise. Actually pretty close in size, guys. Very similar design. Very close. Put these away. This is a Jabra video. Jabras. Let's go a little further into the box. Let's see. Ooh, this is small. I like that small. The lid, a little flimsy. Oh, maybe not. Wasn't locked into place. What's going on here? It's got to go all the way back. Okay, that's good. Passes the lid test. Check. What is this? Let's put these in. Let's see. Is that right? Is that right? Boom. So the case is nice. It feels like a cheap plastic though, and that's a little concerning considering the price tag of 179 bucks. You get USB-C charging. Let's see what else is in the box here. Do you really want to see? I'll show you. Check it out. So you have ear tips right here, a couple different sizes. You got your USB-A to C cable, and warranty, get started guide. Are we ready for the next step? I don't know if I'm ready. I've heard some crazy good things. So first thing I need to do is download the app from the Play Store. So let's get that downloaded. Jabra Sound Plus. All right, install. So that's downloading. I like that it's small. You know, it's a weird shape, but it's not really any bigger than the Google Pixel Buds. Oh, I'm always dropping things. The size of the case is good. It's what I was trying to get across before Google. All right, let's open the app. Let's see if this is gonna do some auto pairing. So it wants to search. Let's open these up. All right, it found my headphones or found something. Turn on the headphones. So what it says is when you take the earbuds out of the charging case, they will automatically enter Bluetooth pairing mode if they have not been paired before. To manually enter Bluetooth pairing mode, press and hold for 3 seconds both left and right earbud buttons until the LEDs flash. Well, we haven't paired these before, so we should be able just to take them out. I'll go ahead and stick them in my ears. They made a little chime. So now it just told me to go into the app, which we've just done. Pair new device. All right, we're paired, and it told me in my ears that we were connected. These have a nice seal, passive noise cancellation. It is blocking a lot of the noise out around me, so I apologize if I seem like I'm yelling. I just can't hear anything. I can't really hear myself very well. Connected successfully. Jabra Elite 75t is now connected to your phone. Boom! Let's check out the quick start guide. Let's zoom in a little. All right, explore your headset. Left earbud. press the left button to mute or unmute your microphone while you're on a call. Press and hold the left button to turn the volume down. That's cool. I love volume controls on headphones. Double press the left ear button when listening to the music to skip to the next track. Triple press the left button when listening to music to restart the track. Triple press again to skip to the previous track. Press the left button when not on a call to turn hear through on off. Let's try that. Just said hear through. Whoa, okay. Now I can hear. Maybe now I will not yell. Hello, hello. Double press the left button to turn side tone on or off. What is hear through? Hear through enables you to be able to hear your surroundings and conversations outside the headset while wearing your headset. It does this using built-in microphones and allowing sound into the headset. What is side tone? Side tone enables you to hear your own voice while on a call. Let's go to the top. So we have 3 different size earbuds. These feel pretty comfortable. I'm assuming they're the medium ones. Let's click on the right earbud. Answer call, you push the button on the right. Push it again to end the call. Press the right button to play or pause while listening to music. Volume up. Press and hold. So the hold will increase the volume. Double press the right button when not on a call to activate your voice assistant. And then lastly, what do we got here? We got the Jabra. So charging case. Place the earbuds inside the charging case. To power them off, to power them on, remove them. Using the Sound Plus app, a variety of headset settings can be changed with a single tap. These settings are presets called moments, and each moment can be customized to suit your needs. All right, so that's it in there. Voice assistant, let's choose the default and log in. We'll allow that. It's thinking. No, I don't want Alexa. All right, done. There's an update, let's do it. It's always fun when you're in the middle of a video and there's updates needed, but at least there's updates, you know? Could be no app, could be no updates, could be nothing, no customization. So, you know, it's cool, man, it's cool. Just gotta sit and wait. Hey Google, set the temperature 2 degrees lower.
Your phone's in airplane mode, so I can't help you with that at the moment.
Still downloading. I'm a patient guy sometimes, but come on, I mean, whoa, here we go. Yeah, I agreed to all of it. Next step, to start the headset update, place the earbuds into the charging case and close the lid. During the update, the LEDs will stop flashing when the update is complete. This could take up to 15 minutes. What the? I think I messed up the update, guys. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so the download took a long time and the update was super fast. I don't know. Let's continue through this app here. Ah, gotcha. That light right there, that little hole next to the charging port, that's supposed to be flashing while the update is going, and then it's supposed to stop flashing when the update's complete. But it's not doing the flash. What I'm gonna do is pause. For me, it's gonna feel like an eternity. For you, it's gonna feel like a blink of an eye. So I'm gonna pause, mess with this for a few minutes, and I'll be back. Sound good? Sounds good. All right, guys, so I'm back. I wanted to update you. I've been gone for actually a while. It took a long time to actually get the Jabra Elites to start updating. This flashing light is actually what it looks like while it's updating. I unplugged them, I plugged them back in, I took them out, I put them back in. It took quite a few steps to actually get the process to go. Not sure why. I wish there was some sort of indication within the app itself to help me along in the process, but we're finally moving. The process is happening. Earbuds are updating. So I, again, will be right back. You'll see a flash. All right, guys, we're back. I'm connected. Everything is working as it should be. The earbuds are upgraded to the latest firmware. When I open the app, this is where it brings me now. So I can adjust the EQ as I see fit. I like to bring things up just a little bit here, see how that sounds. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to jump into YouTube's top 100. I'm going to play a few songs to listen to see how these sound. I've only heard good things. I wasn't going to buy these, remember? I expect greatness. Greatness. Here we go. Ooh. Oh my. The highs? What? Here comes the bass. The bass! What? Why have I been waiting so long to buy these? What? These things hit. Wow. Alright. I gotta do something. Let me pause this. I have to do a couple of quick comparisons because I am so impressed right now. I'm gonna grab my FreeBuds 3. These are really great sounding headphones. I gotta hear. Man, let's put these back in again. I know that was super quick, but I could really tell the difference very fast. All right, I gotta grab one more headset because my mind is being blown right now of how great these sound. Hang tight. These are the Anker Soundcore Liberty 2s. These sounded phenomenal. These were one of the best that I had heard, and I just really need to compare and see what's going on. My mind is truly being blown right now, guys. This is some phenomenal stuff. I just need to switch one more time. I know I'm doing a lot here. This was just supposed to be a Jabra Elite 75t unboxing. It's kind of turning into a little bit more, but on my mind, just stop everything. Woo! Alright. All that stuff. I mean, you know what I was about to say, right? All that stuff. These things, fire. So, we know what we know, right? What do we know? These sound amazing. Now we need to find out how the mic test goes. Let's see if these are a real contender with the mic. We know it's an audio contender because they sound freaking amazing. Freaking amazing, guys. All right, I got the ambient noise ready to go. Now I gotta launch the voice recorder app. You ready? I'm ready. Let's do this. This is the sound of my voice using the Jabra Elite 75t wireless earbuds. How does my voice sound? Let me know in the comments below what you guys are thinking so far. I'm gonna go ahead and introduce that ambient noise and continue on. Again, this is the sound of my voice with the Jabra Elite 75t with ambient noise in the background. So what we're really listening for is my voice still clear and crisp, or is it breaking up with the ambient noise running in the background? Are you still able to hear me clearly? Let me know in the comments below. These are hot. I hope the mic test is as good as my audio test. The bass was super hard. The mids, they were there, and the highs were so crispy clear. These might be my new go-to headset. I like them a lot. They feel good, they sound good. Hopefully they're the triple threat with the mic test. So, that's what I got for you today. All right, guys, if you liked the video and I helped you in any way, smash that thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you get notified of my next video. All right. Peace. Double peace. Be safe.